Hello everyone. This is in continuation to CMA Foundation, Business Mathematics and Statistics, December 2023 question papers solution. This is part 2. Ninth question, if P and Q are two sets, then P delta Q is equal to what? Delta Q here it means that P symmetric difference Q. So the definition of that is P minus Q union Q minus P. That means option is straight away C. There is no working for this. Answer is option C. Based on the definition of symmetric difference. The next one, if the sets A, which is equal to 2, 4, 6, B equal to 2, 3, 5, and C is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6, then A union B intersection C is what? First, let us do B intersection C. That is identifying the common elements in set B and set C. First, we have to do that. Identify the common elements between set B and set C. So B is 2, 3, 5 and intersection C is 1, 2, 5, 6. We may notice in this the common element is only 2. That is B intersection C. Now A union of B intersection C will be A. A is 2, 4, 6. Union of B intersection C is 2. So union of these two, I think something wrong. I missed to write this 5. 5 is also a common element. Sorry. 2 and 5. So B intersection C is 2, 5. So which means now the union will be set elements which belongs to either A or elements which belongs to B intersection C, which is 2, 4, 5, and 6. That means the option is A. Next question is related to exponents. If 3 to the power of 2x plus 4 is equal to 3 to the power of 3x, then find the value of x. We may notice the base is common in both left-hand side and right-hand side, so we can equate the indices. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 3x, which means 4 is equal to 3x minus 2x, which is x. So x value is 4. So option is D. Let us verify. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Here 3 into 4 is 12. So it is verified also. Next one. If logarithm of 7 to the base 10 is A, then what is logarithm of 1 by 70 to the base 10? Logarithm of 1 by 70 to the base 10 is, it is like log A by B. So log A minus log B. So log 1 is 0. So 0 minus logarithm of, let me write this within brackets. Logarithm of 70 can be written as 7 into 10 to the base 10. That can be further written as negative logarithm of, this is like log AB, which is log A plus log B. So that is negative logarithm of 7 to the base 10 is already given as A. Log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So it is 1 plus A. Outside there is a minus. So the option is C. Next question. If logarithm of x to the base 2 to the base 3 to the base 2 is 1, find the value of x. So this expression initially can be written as 2, this 2, that is this base 2 to the power of 1 will be this expression. 2 to the power of 1 can be written as logarithm of, means basically like this. We know logarithm of, I'm sorry, we know 2 power 4 is 16, and that we can also write it as, this is exponential expression. That logarithmic expression will become 4. So we can very well say if you have a logarithm like this, we can write it exponentially as 2 power 4 is 16. Same logic applied here. 2 power 1 should be this expression. Logarithm of, this is base 2, base 3. Okay. Now, this 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. Again, we can now write 3 square is equal to logarithm of x to the base 2. 3 square is nothing but 9. So again, we can write 2 power 9 is equal to x. 2 power 9 is 512. So our x value is 512, the first option. Next, we'll move on. If 10PR is equal to 720, then find the value of R. That is the question. 10PR can be written as 10 factorial divided by 10 minus R, the factorial. That can be equated to 720. Now, 720 can be written as, we know 5 factorial is 120. 120 into 6 is 720, which means this is 6 factorial. Now, we can rewrite this as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. That is, this 10 factorial in the numerator I am writing like this, divided by 10 minus R, the factorial, is equal to 6 factorial. We can divide both sides by 6 factorial so that we can rewrite this as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 10 minus R, the factorial. This side, 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial, it becomes 1, which means we can rewrite this as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 is equal to 10 minus R, the factorial. Now, what is the left-hand side? If we multiply 10 into 9, 90, 90 into 8 is 720, 720 into 7, we get 5040. 5040 is equal to 10 minus R, the factorial. Now, we know we had seen already 6 factorial is 720. So 7 factorial should be 720 into 7. We get 5040. So we can express this 5040 as 7 factorial. This is 10 minus R, the factorial, which means R should be 3. So the option is A. Next question. In how many ways can the colors of the rainbow be arranged so that the red and blue colors are always separated? Rainbow colors are, we can shortly write it as VTR. This is violet, indigo, blue, green, this is yellow, this is orange, and this is red. Question talks about red and blue are always separated. First of all, let us find out what is the permutations without any conditions. Permutations without any condition. We may notice V, I, B, G, Y, O, R, all are of different letters. So that means we can straight away say it is 7 factorial without any condition. Now, permutations if red and blue are together. So in this case, we will be considering R and blue, red and blue together as some alpha. So now the letters available are V, I, G, Y, O, R and B together is alpha. So now there are 6 letters. 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. But this R and B can be interchanged in 2 factorial ways. So 6 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. Therefore, permutations, if R and B are always separated, should be, without any condition, it is 7 factorial minus of 6 factorial into 2 factorial is nothing but 2. So in this, common is 6 factorial. So here we get 7, here we get 2. So it is 6 factorial, which is 720. 7 into 2 is 5. If we multiply, we get 3600 ways. So option is D. There are 7 questions in an examination, of which 2 are difficult. So that means, let us say, available. Difficult questions, 2. That means easy questions. Totally, there are 7 questions. Easy questions should be 5. In how many ways a student can select 4 questions? So here, to choose 4 questions, so that 2 difficult questions are included. So this 2 has to come. That means 2 here. So which means difficult questions are there. So that means number of ways is equal to, we will be choosing 2 difficult questions out of 2 difficult questions in 2 C2 ways, and we need to choose 2 easy questions out of 5 questions, 5 easy questions in 5 C2 ways. Since there is an AND, 2 C2 is nothing but 1. AND means multiplication. 5 C2 is 5 into 4 by 2. So totally there are 10 ways. So that means option B. Rest of the questions we will see in the next part.